In this episode, we will be discussing what is normal wear and tear in a rental property. Landlords will often withhold a portion of a tenant's security deposit for cleaning and repairs. However, any costs attributed to normal wear and tear are not supposed to be deducted. In order to prevent yourself from being subjected to unnecessary scrutiny and legal claims, here are some examples of normal wear and tear. Running toilet, weak toilet flush, loose toilet dispenser. Water stains on linoleum floor near the shower, desilvering bathroom mirror, also known as black spots, expansion cracks in grout or tile, a rug worn thin by daily traffic, moderate dirt marks or spots on carpet, moderate hardwood flooring scuffs and marks, tiny nail holes in walls, dents in walls from door handles, faded or peeling wall paint, curtains faded by the sun, dusty mini blinds, moderate scuffs on pantry shelving, hard water buildup on related surfaces, dirty air conditioning filters, and burned out light bulbs. While you will undoubtedly encounter many other examples, it's important to ask yourself, is the damage caused by normal everyday use or improper abuse?